The School of Architecture and Design is debuting as a partner at Madrid Design Festival because we believe that it's a very strong and vibrant community of design. It touches all aspects of design and is very engaged with the city. There's almost 700 design professionals in the Design Festival, and we wanted to join the conversation. We wanted to participate in this huge celebration of design that happens in the city where we are located.
I really enjoyed it so far. I really like to look at the people who have come before me and learn from them. So getting to see a whole bunch of exhibitions from the designers of the past has been very interesting and very educational.
As first year students, like having this opportunity of seeing what others are doing in different universities is quite interesting because it doesn't only inspire us, but also help us maybe like see what other universities are doing, so which is really nice.
From our school, we have participation through 6 activities in 2 different lines of the Design Festival. So we are participating in Design Pro, and for that effect, we have brought our lecture series, our speaker Ben Reason, who has come to talk about design in the Anthropocene, coming to design from a service perspective.
Touches on all the dimensions of design, digital, the physical, and I just love the industrial design. And it's all student-made from around the globe, so it's quite wonderful.
We will also be talking about the role of design in city and community building. So we will have people from the School of Architecture who are very involved in the D-Lab in Segovia, who took their work engaging with the Segovia community to the Biennale in Chicago this year. And they are going to be talking about the role of architects and designers in city making and community making. We will also have events in Fiesta Design, which is more interactive and more workshop-oriented. And there we are doing visualization work with children, with one of the design school professors, Maria Esteban.
I think the idea of implementing creativity from an early age can be the best thing that a kid can do. For example, we saw today that the kids were like always super excited and they always have a lot of ideas to draw, to design. So this sort of like mentality of becoming a designer from an early age, I think was like the biggest reason why I thought this workshop was really successful.
It has been absolutely magical. I have been a fan of Madrid Design Festival for the past 3 years, so to get to be a contributor is absolutely amazing.
We are also doing empowering rituals for businesses, which is more on the organizational and service design aspect of things. We will also be bringing the work of our students. So some of the Design Studio 2 students have been working with materials from recycled sea plastics to turn them into functional objects of aesthetic value. And they are coming with their professors to talk about the process and to talk about the work that they have been doing.
Our professors gave us the opportunity to present some of our projects with collaboration with the Gravity Wave. Each group that was chosen, we got to show our projects to the company, and it's really cool that we get to show our designs to other people who are here.
So personally, I believe the impact of design in our daily lives, communities and cities is huge. Everything around us is actually designed, and it's not only the objects, it's also the interactions we have, the way cities are built, the built environment is designed. So it's a really lovely kind of way to bring design out of the door and to engage with publics who are maybe not always designers and understand what design can do.